love 25,000 feet.
Oh, I'm not sure I do, but I do love that view.
I've dreamt of this next section of the route for so many years. To be up here at 23,000 feet, staring up the ridge to the summit.
Pretty cool how high up life just manages to kind of exist. This is Hair by Everest. That's a new hashtag. It's a thing.
Hair by Everest.
It's a thing.
I think mine's better than his.
2 years ago, this wouldn't have been possible. There's been internet satellite technology for a long, long time, but it just keeps getting better and better and better and faster and faster and faster. Even now, it's still a challenge, but what we used was a small satellite modem that we'd hook up to an external battery that would be hooked up to solar panels.
On this expedition, there's going to be a lot of this. Corey, phone, satellite dish.
And then we get to camp, we'd throw out the solar panel, charge up the battery, turn on the modem, and sit there and try to use the best bandwidth we could find in the sky and upload our snaps. And those would take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes to upload each one.
Unfortunately, AB had to turn around a little bit earlier, so it's up to me to hold it down. That's the summit. Hopefully I can do it. That's the summit ridge. And that's the wind I'm chasing or running away from.